5 signs your core is getting weak and 5 ways to rebuild that strength. 1. You can't stand for too long. You get back pain or some form of pain. And 2. When you go to sit, you can't sit straight for too long. Again, getting back pain. So you opt to lay comfortably in bed or on the couch where your core is not working too much. That's a huge sign that it's weak. 3. Your posture kind of looks like this rather than straight like this. Your core muscles are responsible for holding you up. When they're weak, you will fold. 4. You got pain everywhere that you can't explain. Your hips, your lower back, your ankles, even your knees. Your core is at the center of it all. It's your foundation. It's part of your kinetic chain. If it's weak, other parts of your body will try to compensate for that weakness, making it work overload. Like a teammate not doing its job, everyone else suffers. And 5, your balance is no longer where it used to be. And that's concerning because it could put you at risks of falls. So let's rebuild that core strength in a gentle way. Here are 5 exercises. This will target not only your core, but also your low back. We're doing 10 each side. Now for your abdominals, this is a good alternative to the crunch. Do 10 both sides. To get those deep tissue core muscles, the plank is always the best exercise. You could do it on the floor as well. Hold for as long as you can. For stability and balance, bring a light weight over your head and march. You could use a water bottle too. And for your obliques, we're doing the pendulum from side to side. Hold for 2 seconds each side.